We are here picking up grocery. Yeah. Today was a fun day. It was a really fun day. You're like, oh, I feel fine. I don't feel sore.
I can feel it in my hips.
You can feel the hips? Me feel fine. I don't feel sore. Yeah, but I just know. I came up on a horse. Like, sometimes I get scared when I'm coming down. And the guy was like, you got this. And I'm like, oh my God, this is how I'm gonna fall. And I'm like, I take my time and I come down and I'm like, that's the only part I don't like, the coming down. Yeah.
So why don't they put it?
Because you can't. Because I think it's gonna confuse the horse, is what he said to me. Oh. Once the horse goes there, the horse knows someone is gonna climb on top of him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, because I was wondering.
Yeah, why
they need to have one at the other side then. Probably. For when they're coming in back.
Yeah.
They need to have one there because it's easier.
This video is being brought to you by Allison. They had partnered with me maybe, I want to say, couple months ago, and y'all saw how excited I was back then to be installing their motorized shades, you know, to upgrade my home. And I'm giving y'all an update on how it's been going, because the little things in life that give you that little extra luxury comfort feeling. These Allison shades are exactly that. Alright, so the Allison brand makes a variety of different shades. So they have a shade to fit any person's specific taste or style. Whether you want like a blackout shade, you want one that's going to be letting in light, you want one that's maybe white or like a creamish color, or even with a touch of color, because y'all know I had put some in Nevi's playroom and I wanted something bright and pretty to go with the room aesthetics, so I chose the bright green one. And guys, listen, these shades have been going so good ever since I installed them. Ordering is super easy. You can customize it to your window's width and height. So you simply enter the measurements, select the mount type, and you can also select what type of remote you would like it to come with. And I love that it comes with a super long extension cord, so I can easily charge it. So to show you how long lasting these batteries are, and I only use the USB cord to charge it. I got these from in May and I have never charged these since I got them. I installed them, put them up, forgot about them. This is currently at 50%, guys, from May. We're in November, so that's only 7 months. And the batteries are still going from that one charge. So it's not something that takes a lot of maintenance. You just have them installed and just enjoy using them. So these shades can be powered and controlled by your Alexa or even by your Google Nest. And you can also use the remote that it comes with. My favorite thing about these blinds are all the different ways that you can control them, whether it be the voice, app, or even the remote. You can purchase a transponder or a bridge, and that will enable you to control the shades via your phone, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Alexa, open blinds.
Okay.
I love the zebra blinds because this is the light filtering dual shades, so it filters just the right amount of light, or I can close it for privacy. And purchase this remote and you can add different blinds to different channels, and that will give you the option to just carry around one remote in. This is such a budget-friendly blinds. You can have your whole house customized with your Allison blinds, and I love that it also does thermal insulation with the blackout blinds, so that is perfect with efficiency around your house. So I know you're all excited to elevate your living space with your Allison shades, and of course I'm coming to you with further savings because currently there is a sale going on and they have their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale where you can get up to 40% discount, and that is going to be running from November 1st to December 2nd. So don't miss out on those savings, guys. Head on over and make sure you use the link that will be down in the description of this video to purchase your very own Allison motorized shades, and I guarantee you guys you will love using them, guys. It's gonna be so pretty, you know, as Monica was saying, like when it snows or get like that.
Yeah, it's gonna be
that's
beautiful
gonna be
when
pretty.
it snows.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Just dress warm.
Yeah.
Dress appropriately.
Yeah. Guys, I was sneezing. I was like, achoo, and sniffling. Because I wore a pants, but I never realized my pants was so thin. It's like a sweatpants, but it doesn't have the furry nice thingy. And I'm like,
in the winter you gotta wear thermal
pants, yeah, because I wore a coat, so I was warm up top, but my legs were cool. So I kept on, achoo.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But overall it was nice.
Yeah. So guys, listen, I was just talking to Monique earlier about going out and doing activities, and one thing I'm gonna say to you guys, go out and do activities. Don't sit down at home. Like, no. I realize when I'm home, that's the time like I get sad and all the thoughts hit me, and you know, but like when I go out and I keep myself busy, it's like your mind don't even have time
to think about the whatever life throws at you.
Yes.
But it's a good thing to be out. But though, whatever that would make you get sad, you gotta confront it.
Yeah.
Because not all the time you're gonna be able to go out.
Yeah.
Or to do activities.
Yeah.
You just don't know what may happen.
Yeah.
So.
Because like weather.
Right.
But you know what I do? Monique, it's like when I can't go out and stuff, I still, you know me, like, you see how we do me. You know me. Guys, listen, I'm extra. If I'm gonna take a bath, Monique, listen, you think I've played? I will rub that bubble bath. I will put on something on the wall, watch something, chill, relax, extra.
She's very extra.
One thing
It's very American.
Wait, what American more running a bath? Your mother never used to be in a bath pan in Jamaica. What are the difference? Guys, my Caribbean people, y'all know it's the same. Same way how your mother used to put you in bath pan.
I used to eat that because she used to act like me don't bathe. Listen, when the mother bathe, I wash your ear on Sunday. It make you look like you don't bathe for the entire week leading up to that Sunday.
Listen,
because the scrubbing is not normal.
Guys, I was telling someone the other day that when my mommy come, I'm like, I wonder if mommy would react away if I tell her to say I want one of her proper scrub down.
No, only when me get scrubbed down.
Like, but what? Like as a big
your
person.
back, especially your back, you run here, so you want it scrubbed like how mom used to scrub it. Yeah.
Yes, guys. When you know what I miss? So when my mother used to bathe me, my elbows were never black, Monique. My mother used to scrub my elbow, scrub my knee, them. Listen, when she don't give me a bath, best believe me squeaky clean. And the other day I was like, make I ask for mother to bathe me. At my big age, I want my mother to scrub me properly.
Yeah. They used to act like say Monday through Saturday. You don't bathe. Because Sunday when the hair feel wash and you get that Sunday bathe and that dress up and that Sunday best dress.
Oh my gosh, and the best bath.
Scrub you. And then you see 15 bubbles in the ear for Sunday. You so upset me. Because I don't like to comb my hair.
Oh,
it was a struggle because I don't like to. Then I didn't like to wash and do all of that. So washing for me was hours. Because the moment she like wet the hair, me start crying. All kind of drama and the water and me eye and me run and me gonna hide for 15 hours.
Listen, you know what I noticed, Monique? I used to scared when my hair was combing, and I just realized all my mother used to put in my hair as a child was oil.
That's all they had.
Oil.
That's all they had.
No wonder we used to free our hair.
That's all they had. My hair did very tough.
Guys, I had the thickest 4C hair you could find.
Yeah, my
hair break combs. Monique, you see my hair. You know how my hair thick.
Right.
Like you cannot even see my scalp.
My hair was very, very, very tough.
Listen to me now. I miss that though, guys. Those are memories. Those are core memories. Oh my gosh. Look at me now, having my own child, having my own life. Like,
that's what life shows at you.
Wow. And it's a blessing, you know, like when you can look back and see all the things that your parents used to do for you. I'd never take those stuff for granted. Especially grandparents. Oh my gosh, that's why my grandma, Monique, my grandma is so dear to me, because my grandmother was like my bestie.
Sometimes when I look back, me call mommy and me say, Mommy, I know you were extremely abusive when I was young. Me say, you remember one time you did say me go shop and me the last money you beat me? And last you never take it. Why you have to do that?
The other day, I tell my mother something like as a child, we do something, and I could not tell her as a child because I know something I get my ass beat.
Yeah.
So I'm wait till
everything you do and beat you.
Hear Mommy, I have something to tell you. It's the Caribbean upbringing, I think.
Everything, man, you just get leaked.
And then I think our parents, they had a lot to deal with, and I think they never had that much resources.
Yeah.
So I think they were very frustrated in, you know, when I was looking back and I was like, boy, I'm looking at my daughter and I'm like, my daughter living a comfortable life, you know?
Proper life.
Like the fact that she can just look at me and say, Mommy, I want this. Mommy, and she just said to me, Mommy, can I get this for Christmas? Because I have to tell her no, like she's stuff. She's like, can I get this? I'm like, no, wait for Christmas, wait for birthday. And the fact that she like I tell her that and she gets comfortable with it and she's like, okay, Mommy. Like, you know, like she knows Mommy is gonna do it, Mommy is gonna get it, and and I'm looking back and I'm like, she wake up, she will say she want this, she want to take out this snack for lunch, that for this, that. You
didn't have a choice, you have to eat what they give you.
And the one snack my mother put it in my bag. Lunchtime, like I have, you know what, I have to be teach because the thing about it, so when you have kids now and you're more in a fortunate position, you know, to give them certain type of life.
Right.
I have to try to make sure that I'm instilling that spirit of gratefulness.
In your,
so you know what I said, Nevi, and I'm like, she's like, oh, Mommy, I don't want to eat that. I said, sweetie, remember, be grateful for the food. Say a prayer and thank God for the food. Because as a child, sometimes the same something I eat back to back. Listen, these kids don't know. Oh my gosh, I'm getting old.
I was raised.
You hear me? These kids don't know.
You little girl who's still in her 20s. I don't time your age.
I'm just in my 20s talking about these kids don't know what it was like. When did I get so old? But really and truly though, guys, like you have to teach, you know, because I don't want her to ever get comfortable to take this for granted and be like, oh yeah, you know. That's why we make sure to say we will do trips to Jamaica sometime. You're comfortable with AC, let's feel what AC doesn't feel like this is what I grew up in, okay? Country. You know what was funny? When I brought Nevi to country and Nevi was like, she want Wi-Fi. I said, baby, there's no Wi-Fi in these bushes. I said, you want Wi-Fi? Go outside and play with the trees.
And the goat and the chicken.
But Nevi, one thing I would say, my baby adapts well to stuff. Because when I brought Nevi to country, you was Nevi, the way how Nevi took it on, I was scared. Because I was like, why is she not scared of the animals? She's running behind the goats, just living her best life.
And I'm
like, you go, girl. You go, girl. You got this one.
That's right.
So proud of her. But why is it taking so long for them to bring out my groceries? It doesn't normally take this long. At this point, I'm just going to go in the store because it shouldn't take this long. I'm going to go inside to get my groceries.
You watch Elsa?
Yes, I want. Alright, guys. So showing y'all the one. This is the one that I bought. I think I bought this at either Burlington or Ross. Nevi loves it. I didn't even remember that I had a Elsa costume for Nevi, so it matches perfectly with her costume. She's like, Mommy, I want to watch Elsa. I'm like, sure, sweetie, I'll put Elsa on. Let me see it. Oh, hey, princess. Alright guys, so the weekend went by onto another weekend, and this weekend I was so determined that I was gonna be doing a deep clean because it's almost that time. Y'all know what I mean when I say it's almost that time. I'm ready to pop out with all the Christmas stuff, and y'all know as a Jamaican we always do our deep cleaning with every season, every new season that's coming on. So of course, oh guys, y'all see I have been making sure I keep all of Nevi's artwork because y'all ate me up couple months back to say don't throw them away, so I've been keeping them. So I, you know, quickly made some little breakfast for myself to enjoy, and of course I'm watching Girlfriends, which I finished the entire thing and I'm so devastated. But anyways, guys, I started watching the show last year, I think. I don't know if anybody else watches this show. It's called I Love a Mama's Boy. I think that's what the name. Guys, if you don't watch it, please watch it. Because I swear, I get a good laugh from it. And this show really opened my eyes to a lot of things that, you know, and that I would stay far from if I was ever to go down that road again. And I was like, yup, this is one of my favorite shows to watch. And I can't remember the one girl from the previous season that she broke off the engagement. That was a smart girl. I grew up on 90s and early 2000s R&B, so there's just something about having that music playing while you're doing your deep clean. So you know what I remembered? I don't know if y'all remember there was a colorful cartoon placemats that we used to use as kids. I realize I haven't seen those in the longest while. I'd love to get one for Nevi so she can get that nostalgia feeling to, you know, cleaning your placemats after dinner and breakfast. I miss that. So guys, listen, we ain't doing the old school hands and feet, and you know, I bought this little spin brush. Chef's kiss, okay? I got this off Walmart. Mind you, I still went back over it with the Scotch-Brite thingy, or Scotch pad, I don't know what y'all call it.
Good to have it in, like, winter time. We have a humidifier, because you know the air gets too dry. So, hopefully this will work.
Guys, there is something about the feeling of just doing a deep clean. I enjoy it so much. Just refreshing, resetting the house. Listen, I no longer use the newspaper and thingy to wipe the glass. I got myself a little squeegee. Okay, it's the slow upgrades. And I'm like, why have I not been doing this all along? Because it got the mirror clean so clean and pretty. I'm like, yes, I did that. Well, anyways, guys, I was just, you know, cleaning and doing all the things because I really wanted to get everything back in order. And mind you, what I call dirty is not dirty for somebody else, but for me, I'm like, nah, this needs a cleaning. And everything got cleaned down to the what you call that, baseboard, everything. And I bought this pin mop off Walmart too, because I was like, you know, I really wanted a mop because I hate the Swiffer thingy, but this spin mop, it does the job. At this point I was so tired, so I didn't even finish vlogging, guys. I'm so sorry, but this is where we end the video.